Welcome to our review of the Canon EOS REBEL T7 DSLR camera, a perfect blend of technology and creativity for photography enthusiasts and beginners alike. This kit includes two versatile lenses, the EF 18-55mm and the EF 75-300mm. Today, we'll dive deep into its features and see how it can elevate your photography game. Key features overview. Let's start with the core features that make the Canon EOS REBEL T7 a standout choice for photographers. At its heart, the T7 boasts a 24.1 megapixel. This sensor captures high-resolution images with vibrant colors and exquisite detail, perfect for both day-to-day and special occasion photography. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or action shots, this camera has you covered with its impressive ISO range of 100 to 6400 extendable to 800. This means you'll achieve great shots even in low light conditions. Autofocus and image quality. The Canon EOS REBEL T7 features an improved dual pixel CMOS AF system with eye detection AF, ensuring your subjects are always in sharp focus. The 9-point AF system and AI Servo AF provide quick and precise autofocus, whether you're shooting stills or moving subjects. The optical viewfinder offers approximately 95% viewing coverage, allowing you to compose your shots with precision and confidence. Connectivity and functionality. Stay connected and share your moments instantly with built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology. Transfer photos and videos directly to your smartphone or tablet with ease, or control your camera remotely for creative shots. Additionally, the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software for Mac and Windows transforms your Canon camera into a high-quality webcam, perfect for live streaming or video conferencing. Lens kit and video capabilities. The two-lens kit includes the EF 18-55mm lens, ideal for versatile shooting from wide-angle landscapes to portraits. Meanwhile, the EF 75-300mm lens extends your reach, making it perfect for wildlife and sports photography. When it comes to video, the Canon EOS REBEL T7 captures stunning Full HD 1080p video, offering rich detail and smooth motion for all your filmmaking endeavors. In summary, the Canon EOS REBEL T7 DSLR camera with its two-lens kit is a powerful tool for anyone looking to explore their creativity in photography and videography. With its advanced autofocus, high-resolution sensor, and connectivity features, it delivers exceptional value and performance. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Happy shooting!